Time to cover it so that it can kind of warm up a little better in a very slow temperature or low temperature as the case may be. Now it's time to dish. A little bit of hummus, a little bit of, I don't know, sour creamish stuff, and a nice little bit of this very garlicky sauce. And we are ready to eat. So here you have it, 14 containers, some leftover dressing and sauces, and our dish. This is like a Middle Eastern hash. It's delicious. There's enough rice, there's just enough meat, a little bit of the greens in there and the tabbouleh, and certainly this incredible garlicky spread. I would even say I can go with the grape leaves.